What's up guys, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to the channel. So Sophia and I went to Mallorca with our 1-year-old Amelia last week. We had an amazing time, but unfortunately the vlog is turning out a little different than I wanted. As you can see, I'm filming this part at home. I lost a substantial amount of videos from my phone, including all the bits where I talk to the camera, so that really sucks. Luckily, I still have all the footage from Sophia's phone and the drone, some epic b-roll, so I figured let's make it work anyways. It was Amelia's first time on a plane. She was a real champ, no crying, no drama, just a very chill baby, soaking it all in. A very proud parent moment right there. But now let's travel back in time and relive this wonderful vacation. We stayed in a hotel called Vista Alegre in Cala Anguila, close to Porto Cristo on the east side of Mallorca. The place, stunning. 2 beautiful little coves, just a short walk from our hotel, and the hotel itself, perfect for traveling with a baby. A kids pool, solid restaurant on site, and best of all, our baby monitor just reached far enough so we could chill by the pool or grab a bite while Amelia was napping or sleeping. Even though the goal of the getaway was to relax, enjoy the time off with our family, chill at the pool and the beach, we still managed to squeeze in some very cool activities. I rented a Wheelier Zero SL bike in Palma and did a ride I'll never forget. From Palma to Sollér, through the mountains, along the coast, past Dea, epic views, empty roads, pure joy. Mallorca is a dream if you love cycling. I'll be back with my own bike soon for sure. We also explored some towns like Porto Cristo, where we had a chill lunch right by the water, and Sollér, both the old town and the harbor, so charming with its narrow streets and old trams. It's touristy but still super worth the visit. One of the highlights of the trip, the Drach caves, or Cuevas del Drach. Massive, magical underground world with a classical concert performed in boats on the lake. Honestly, worth every second. Right next to our hotel was the Reserva 2000 area, pure nature. I went for a run along the cliffs at sunset, hands down the most beautiful trail run I've ever done. We went back the next day with Sophia and Amelia for a hike and saw some wild goats and turtles along the way. Mallorca's got way more to offer than just beaches. So yeah, even though I lost some footage, I'm really happy to have shared this recap with you guys. Traveling with a baby can be so amazing, and Mallorca made it so easy for us. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, leave a comment, and see you in the next one. Peace!